Hey, it's Steve Kinney here. In this video, we're going to quickly run down the most recent enhancements to Luna, including a new keyboard shortcuts manager, a plugin manager, open beta for VST3 support on macOS, and more. I'll show you exactly how these features work and how they can supercharge your sessions inside Luna. Let's get started. All right, first up on our list, Luna now has an integrated keyboard shortcut manager, complete with third-party DAW shortcut profiles. So if you're used to working in another DAW like Logic Pro or Pro Tools, you can assign the same keyboard shortcuts to Luna with the click of a button. Or if you're like myself and you want to customize to the extreme, you can work your way through the whole list, adding your own shortcuts to unassigned actions or modifying existing ones. To ensure your shortcut doesn't conflict with any existing commands, you can filter your search by modifier type to check for any overlaps. If you need to check for conflicts for keys like return or delete, ones that can't be entered into the search field because they control text editing or navigation, well, just to the left of the search bar, you'll find the search keys pop-up, where you can specify which keystroke you want to filter your search with. Before we move on to the next feature, I want to encourage you to share your feedback on how we can improve third-party presets. Let us know if there's anything that we can enhance. Go to the feedback menu in Luna and let us know. Now let's take a look at the new plugin manager. Right after launching Luna, you'll notice the new Manage Plugins tab. Here, we can manage our plugin formats, scan or rescan for plugins, edit categories, ignore specific plugins, access UA Connect, as well as the plugin store. So let's cover some basics. Towards the bottom is a list of our installed plugins that we can scroll through. To disable a plugin, check Ignore. Clicking and dragging works well here too. This will make your browser tabs more efficient by hiding any plugins that you may not have a license to or may not want in your list of plugins in the browser inside of Luna. If you have a large library and you're looking for a specific plugin to manage, use the new search bar to quickly identify the plugin in question. Next, we can also assign plugins to categories if they didn't have one automatically assigned. In the top right, you have access to both UA Connect and the UA Plugin Store. Another recently added feature enhancement is the ability to scan for plugins after launching Luna. It's no longer necessary to restart Luna when installing third-party plugins. After installing a new plugin, the new plugin manager automatically detects the plugin and displays its status in the plugin list below. Click Scan to load the individual plugin, or choose Scan New to load all of the new plugins into the Luna browser to access in your sessions. Now let's talk about VST3 support for Luna. Luna can now scan and use VST3 plugins that are installed on your macOS system. Click Enable under the VST3 header in the plugin manager. Choosing Scan Alternate Location allows the plugin manager to scan for plugins within a specific directory. Using the VST3 format for third-party plugins now bridges the gap and allows your sessions to be fully cross-compatible between macOS and Windows. Now this is open beta, so please remember to share feedback on any specific behavior or performance issues in the top right corner of Luna in the feedback menu. Last but not least in our rundown is the addition of a fader show hide toggle in the mixer navigator. This allows us to hide both faders altogether in both the mixer view and the focus track view. From the mixer, simply click on the word fader in the mixer navigator to toggle on and off. Or if you're in the timeline view and you want some extra space in your focus channel view, right-click on the track header or a section header and choose navigation. This brings up the navigator where you'll again click on the word fader to toggle the fader on and off. Now this will retain whatever your setting is independently of one another, allowing you to keep your faders in the mixer view and hide your fader in the focus channel and vice versa. So as we wrap up the latest Luna update rundown, let me know what you think of the new features in the comments below. And if you have any ideas on how to expand any of these new features, be sure to share them in the feedback menu in Luna. And subscribe to the Universal Audio YouTube channel for the latest developments on all things UA. Thanks for watching, and go make some music. Cheers.